What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 websites with which you can easily make $100 every single day, and each of the website I'm going to share with you literally very easy. You can easily make money even if you do not have any skill or if you have do not any money. Okay, so be sure guys to stick with me so you do not miss any of the method. But before we get into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day, then I have a 100% free training. Just check out the link in the description. Okay, and after this training you can easily make $100 every single day. And if you are in the niche of the making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now, what are the 10 websites? Guys, do not just skip the video by thinking that these are the website I know, because I'm also going to share something and might be there is a website that is new for you. Okay, so let's just start guys. So guys, the first website that I'm going to be share with you, ClickBank. You might be thinking that we all know about the ClickBank, but here is the catch. I'm going to give you 100% free training about the ClickBank, how to go from zero to $100. I'm going to reveal the 4 traffic sources that everybody is hiding from you. So just check out the link in the description as I already said, and the training is 100% free, and that training is absolutely going to help you to make $100 per day or more with ClickBank. Absolutely, you can make $100. $100 is very least amount if you are going to think about that. Okay, so basically guys, just start taking action after watching that training. Okay, so basically that training is really going to help you. Just trust me and have a look at the training at least one time. Okay, the second website that I'm going to be share with you, Instagram. You might again be thinking that Instagram is again going to be one of those things that you already know, but the catch over here is this. I'm going to reveal in that training, 100% free training about the Instagram, how you can grow from zero and how you can monetize the Instagram. Okay, plus I'm also going to share a lot of different strategies over there in the free training as well. So just check out the link in the description right now guys, right now. Okay, so now the third website that I'm going to be share with you is literally might be something new for you. Okay, may not be, it may not be. Basically the third website is the Shutterstock, where you have everything. You are going to, you can sell them any image, but the point over here is if you do not have kind of good skills to click the good picture, then what you can do. Okay, so literally I'm also gonna to share clear your that doubt as well in this video if you are staying with me. Okay, let me just share with you what you can do. There is a site called canva.com. Okay, basically you might not be able to sell each and every image over with the help of the Shutterstock. Basically on the Canva you can create the images, but here is the catch. You might be thinking that they will not look professional. So what you can do, just there is a free software called GIMP. Okay, GIMP, that is a free software. Okay, it's kind of the copy of the it's kind of copy of one of the most favorite tool, photo editing tool. I do not remember the name. Okay, basically with this GIMP tool you can easily create completely professional looking photos. It's really, yeah, it's the Photoshop alternative. Okay, so you can easily make the professional videos, and thereafter you can list the photos over here on the Shutterstock, and then you can easily make $100 or even more. I'm not telling you to just start scamming. It's basically you are taking the good pictures and thereafter editing them. Okay, how can you get the good images? You can get the good images with the call site pexels.com, Pexels. Okay, Pexels. Okay, and further there is also a site called Pixabay. On these websites you can find the free web images as well. Okay, so just to start editing these images. Some of the guys are looking for the good thumbnails and all that stuff on the Shutterstock. So do not think that these things really do not sell. These things also sell. Everything has a market guys, everything. Although sometimes also Canva thumbnails can also be sold on the Shutterstock as well. Okay guys, so guys, now if you do not have any camera, you do not have kind of any excuse that I cannot earn with the Shutterstock. Okay, now the fourth website that I'm going to be share with you, the YouTube. You might be thinking starting a YouTube channel, growing it to 10,000 subscribers is really going to be very tough. But let me tell you the strategy that can easily give you 1,000 YouTube subscribers in just 1 week. So if you want that training, then check out the link in the description. The training is 100% free. Okay, and in that I have shared not just one strategy but 3, 4 or even more strategies to grow a YouTube channel that everybody is hiding. Okay, just be sure to watch that training and start taking action instantly. You can really think that it is very much powerful. Okay, you will start getting the results from day one. Okay, some of the methods are so much powerful that you will start getting the results from day one. Okay, the fifth website that I'm going to share with you is the Quora.com. Basically, Quora is a website of the Q&A website where the people are going to put the questions and you are going to answer them. But how are you going to earn money with that? Basically, you can go to the ClickBank. On the ClickBank, you can find the products like a weight loss. Then you can search on the Quora about the product. For example, your niche is the weight loss. You can search on the Quora weight loss, and then what you can do, you can give them a wonderful answer. You can share about 1 or 2 free strategies of losing weight with home remedies or free ways. Thereafter you can tell them, if you want to lose weight fast, just check out this product. I have lost about 5 kg weight with the help of this product, and you will see that the tons and tons of sales you will start getting from the Quora. Okay, do not just underestimate the power of Quora. One of my students has made over $6,000 in revenue. Look at this, 961 views. If only 1% are gonna to buy $100 product, you have made over $1,000. Okay, just 9 guys who are going to buy $100 product, $900. So you just need to start giving value. The more and more the value your answer will be, the more and more the money you will make, the more and more the views it will get. Okay, so just keep providing good quality answer and thereafter link to a product. But remember, the product should be good, only then you are going to make a lot of sale. Okay, and now the sixth website that I'm going to share with you is the listverse.com. Basically, this is a website that is going to pay you $100+, at least $100 to just writing article. Okay, you need to come on this website and go down and just click on write and get paid. Basically, you need to write something like top 10 cars in the world, but be remember that the topic should not be repeated. For example, you can write something like 10 deadliest animals in the world, but remember the topic should not be copied. Okay, it means the topic should not be repeated on the listverse. Okay, so to avoid that, you can search on the listverse like 10 deadly animals. Okay, 10 deadly animals, and thereafter you can write over here listverse. So if there will be any listverse results regarding this topic, then the results will be displayed. Look at this. So this is not the topic for you. Okay, so change your topic and then again write a new article. Okay, this is one of the most powerful strategy, guys. And what you can do the on the Google Docs, you can go over there and do the voice typing. Okay, you just need to type your thoughts over here and just copy and paste on the listverse, and that's it, guys. You will be making over $100 just with that. Now, guys, the seventh, you might be wondering that how I'm going to earn via Facebook, but really Facebook is a killer industry. Facebook is a killer website. Some of my friend has built 6-figure businesses just with the Facebook. Okay, and I have shared the tactic of how to make $100 every single day with the Facebook in this training. So be sure to check out this training. It's 100% free. Okay, and I have shared about 2 or 3 strategies of the Facebook, how you can start making money from Facebook in a very fast way. Okay, so be sure to check that out as well. Okay, and now the 8th website I'm going to share with you is the Teespring. Basically, the Teespring is a website where you just need to provide the you just need to upload the designs on the t-shirt, and whenever there will be any kind of demand for that t-shirt, you just need to upload the design, and whenever there will be any order for that, Teespring is gonna to prepare that design on the t-shirt, and they are gonna to sell it themselves. and you will be given the margin. Let's say you are promoting a selling a t-shirt for 100 bucks, okay, and the cost is of 50 bucks, so the 50 bucks will be in your pocket. Okay, that was just an example. Okay, do not think that you are going to sell a simple t-shirt for 100 bucks. It may be possible, it may not be. So I have also shared about a tactic, how to find the viral designs and how to promote them very easily. The link of the free video, it's a free video, not that it's not included in this training, but it's a free video. I have included that as well in the description. Okay, and then now the ninth website over here comes the just let me tell you about it's the textbroker.com. basically, Textbroker is a website where you can write article and can get paid. Basically, it's a very old company, and so that you do not need to worry about the payment. And the best way to write lots and lots of articles on the Textbroker is literally what you can do. Just go in the Google Docs. Okay, just go in the Google Docs. Okay, and click on over here. Go in the Google Docs. And you will see an option of the tools. In the tools, click the voice typing and start typing your thoughts. That's it, guys. In the tools you will find the option, and that's it, guys. Just start speaking your thoughts. Okay, it's very easy. You just need to start speaking your thoughts. Just copy that and just paste it in the Textbroker. Okay, if you do not know anything about a topic, just search it on the Google and read a little about that, and just simply start speaking your thought on the Google Docs and copy it. So literally in half an hour you can write one article, and you can easily make a lot of money by just writing. Okay, so now comes the 10th website, that is the KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. This is the website that is going to help you to earn the complete passive income, guys. What you need to do over here, you just need to create a PDF book, okay, and you just need to publish it over here. You might be again thinking how I am going to create a free ebook, how I am going to write content. Okay, so what you need to do, just go on the Google, select any of the topic like make money online. Okay, make money online, just read about 2 or 3 blogs, and thereafter again guys, just open the Google Docs, click on the tools. Okay, click on the tools and then click on the voice typing and start speaking your thoughts, and you will see that within just half an hour you will be able to write 2000 plus words article, 2000 plus words PDF book. Okay, and then you just need to copy all these text, and then you just need to go in the on the canva.com. okay, you just need to go on the canva.com. basically on the Canva or as well you can easily create the ebooks as well. So you just need to copy this, create a cover design and all that stuff. You are ready to make a sale on the Kindle Amazon Publish. Okay, Kindle Direct Publishing. And even if you want to promote your ebook, what you can do, let's say you have written an ebook about the Kindle, so what you can do, just go to the Facebook and search for the groups related to that. For example, on the weight loss, search for the weight loss groups, and thereafter join some of the groups. And what you can do, just to tell them that I have really started this book, just to at least read this. I have shared a lot of different kind of great strategies. This book is very cheap. Try to put the price at a very cheap price, like $1, $2, or do not put it more than $3. Okay, so you will start getting tons and tons of sales. Or even what you can do, give the ebook to some of the guys for free, tell them to leave a good feedback. Okay, means tell them to leave a feedback, and the more and more the good feedback, the more and more your book will go up in the Kindle Direct Publishing, and then you will start getting tons and tons of sales. So look at this, with the Canva you can easily create the kind of a book cover, and you can easily create the PDF as well. Okay, so guys, these are the ultimate ways to start making lots of money just using simple things. Just to start speaking your thoughts, copy it, and just to create a little design. So guys, all of these things really work, and I have also shared a lot of strategies of how to drive traffic on ClickBank product or any digital product. So be sure to check out this training as well. And now, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe for daily videos on this channel related to money making online, and I will see you in the next video.